stylish pearls, welcome back to the channel. This is the look of me using the Shea Moisture Hibiscus line. Overall, you guys, I really like their product. I do feel like the product works very well with 4C hair. As you guys know, I have 4C hair texture, but my hair is a little bit more on the finer side. This is the hibiscus line that I use. I use the coconut and hibiscus hold, shine, and moisture mist. And I also went in with the curl enhancing smooth with silk protein and neem oil. And I also went in with the curl and style milk with protein and neem oil as well. So yeah, overall, all of these three products work really well together. As you guys can see, it did form curl pattern. It is bouncy. My hair is really bouncy. I'm just like loving it, the curls. And yeah, you guys, as you guys can see, my shrinkage is very real. I can pull, excuse me, my hair literally is down, come down here. So yeah, you guys, the shrinkage is real. I love the overall look. It's still a little bit damp at the roots area, but overall, this is my natural texture. You see, as you guys can see a little bit closer, I do have a little bit small and tighter curls. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, find this video helpful. And this is Moisturize and Curl Define Thick and Curly Hair Curl and Style Milk, that Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. Work them into my natural hair just to see what these products do. I don't know, like, I normally don't wear my natural hair, but I washed it last night and conditioned it. I have very fine hair. I always have fine hair. I have a little bit of curl right here, but I don't know, like, this is my new growth from here to here when I had my braids, because they were small braids and I kept them in. My hair grows fast and it also sheds a lot. So from here, from my scalp to here, you guys, the curl pattern is very tight. It's very tight. I'm gonna be doing the curl enhancing first, and then I'm going to go in with the curl milk, and then to seal it, I'm just going to go in with the hold and shine. From the videos that I watch, other people do curly hair, you know, routines and curly hairstyles. They use a lot of products, so I don't know, like, and it doesn't define that curl like the ends do. I don't know, that's so weird. But I don't know if you guys are able to tell in the video like how thick my roots are compared to my ends of my hair. So I'm just gonna work this product all the way in it. Just really work it. And then once I have it worked in, I'm gonna go in with the curl milk. It'd be so hard to get that product out of it. What I use to shampoo my hair with, my shampoo brush. I'm gonna see if that will define my curl a little bit. as you guys can see, the curls are a little bit deformed. I'm gonna just continue to keep on trying to define the curls a little bit more. The overall product, I feel like it really does define the curl, simply because you guys see my hair on this side compared to this side, and this side was wet too, so yeah, my hair is a little bit more stringy at the top for some odd reason. So you guys, as you can see, I've completely saturated all of the products into my hair. Yeah, you guys, I feel like it enhanced more curls on this side compared to this side. I can see my curl pattern a little bit way more better right here compared to this side, but I don't know, I'm just trying to define it the best way I possibly can. As you guys can see, it is detangled free. I can glide this shampoo brush from the roots on down with no tangle. I feel like this side maybe. And the front part of my hair has a little bit more straighter texture than the back. Let this dry. I will be back once it dries. It looks like it's gonna dry pretty fast too, you guys. So I'll be back once it dries, and I'll let you guys see the ending results. So be back. I'm not a natural hair girl, but I will wear my natural hair just to give my braids and wig units a little break. So that's what I'm doing now, giving my wig units a little break, letting my hair breathe a little bit. Yeah, these products work really good together, you guys. So make sure you guys shop Shea Moisture. I'll leave their link to their website down in the description bar, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.